Hello my people, good day to you all wherever you are. This is your girl, your lady Nancy the billionaire. As you can see, this yummy eggplant. If you want to know how I prepare this eggplant in the oven, you will please come with me to my kitchen and let's do it together. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as you do, God bless you. Don't forget to also on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you will be the first to be notified. Share me out to your people. Share me out to your friends. Share me out to your village people. And so on. And also give me a thumbs up if you like my video and if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you so much, and let's go to my kitchen. Right now, we are in my kitchen now. This is my bell pepper I will be using. It has been washed and cleaned, so you can see. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper I will be using. This is the Maggi, salt, and nutmeg. And this is garlic, ginger, and turmeric. I like spicy food. This is the onions I will be using. This is parsley, and this is spearmint. This is the eggplant I'm going to be preparing tonight. And olive oil, chicken laps, and gizzard. So the gas is already on. I will just put this gizzard inside hot water to boil for about 3 minutes. Because I don't want to cook it that much. The chicken, I'm not going to be boiling it. Because what I'm going to be cooking right now is in the oven. I will be preparing it in the oven. I'm going to chop all my ingredients. The scotch, the eggplant, the bonnet pepper, the onions, everything. I'm going to scotch it before I will put it inside the pan. Just be watching how I will be doing the cooking. And please, if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have done before, may God bless you. If you haven't, please do, and may the Lord bless you. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload video, you will be the first to be notified. I just put the gizzard in the fire right now. I will be adding a little salt to it. Just put 1 Maggi cube. Stir it together a little bit. I will leave it to just go for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I will remove it. The gizzard is ready now. So I will just take it out from the fire and filter it because I don't need the water. Now I'm done with chopping the eggplant. As you can see, this is the size of the cut. I have to cut the chicken lap into 2, and I've parboiled the gizzard. I chop my onions. So this is the ingredients: the ginger, garlic, and the turmeric. So now I will be putting them gradually into the pan before putting it in the oven. Now I'm putting the chicken inside the pan. So now I will be putting the gizzard inside. I will be adding my spearmint little and my parsley little bit. as you can see. Now I will be putting this my seasoning. I will be adding my powder seasoning. So now we'll be adding salt and nutmeg together. The salt and nutmeg, and this is my ginger, turmeric and garlic together. Adding onions. This is my eggplant. Now I had my Scotch bonnet pepper inside. I'll be adding my bell pepper, as you can see. I will be adding olive oil to it right now. Okay, so I'm going to use foil paper to close it before putting it in the oven. So my preparation is ready for oven right now. I'm going to be putting it in the oven. Hello guys, I'm done with my cooking, and this is what the finish looks like. As you can see, it's yummy and ready to be served. If you love what I'm doing, if you love my video, please do not hesitate to subscribe and leave your notification bell on. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.